Yeah, hello everyone. I bring to you today another opportunity for you to earn online. Maybe you are looking for a side hustle or you are looking for something to really turn to full time as source of income online. Here is one of the opportunity that I present to you. You are welcome to this YouTube channel, Journey to Financial Freedom. My name is Benga Ashubiojo. The opportunity I bring to you this of the today is on this platform called Owodeli. Now, turn your free time into real money with Owodeli. This platform is trusted by 35,000 members, and this platform helps you to turn your spare time into steady income. That is, whether you are a student or professional or a freelancer, this marketplace connects you with flexible and rewarding opportunities that fits your schedule. So I want to encourage you to join this community of earning individual, this community of micro jobs, and get income and your journey to financial freedom uh, is assured. Now, how does it work? Owodeli connects businesses seeking digital growth with motivated individuals like you and I, and the platform hosts various micro jobs, cashback opportunities, and reward bounties from verified SMEs and agencies. So, when you register, you choose the task that match your skills and interests, and thereby earning real income while helping businesses achieve their goals. The truth part the truth part is that no experience is needed. Just follow the simple step-by-step guides or instruction, and you start to earn today. Yeah, see, there are a lot of micro jobs here, over 200. You can't run out of job or work to do. So start your journey today of earning as a micro job worker. Your consistency is what is needed here. Now, when you register, then you move to the available job sections where beginners can access simple yet rewarding micro jobs. Each task comes with clear instructions and fixed commissions that instantly credit your wallet upon verification. Yeah, immediately you finish the job and it is verified, your money enters your wallet straight. Now, from content engagement to writing reviews, these tasks require zero prior experience. As you build skills, unlock higher paying reward bounties that can significantly boost your earnings. Whether you have 10 minutes, yes, or several hours, there is always an opportunity to earn. So no time is wasted at all. At all. Now, um, at Owodeli, everyone wins. So by building success together. So we believe in creating value for everyone involved. The performance-based model ensures businesses achieve their marketing goals while members of Wodeli earn real income. Now, through micro jobs, cashback deals, and reward bounties, we've built a thriving micro influencer community. Partners value our modern digital approach, while members appreciate the flexible any opportunities. Together, we are revolutionizing how people earn online. Now, let's look at the sweetest part of it is that payout is on Friday. I mean, Friday every week. You know, uh, uh, haven't you been a job cycle whereby you wait until the end of the month before you collect your maybe your salary or your payment or thereabouts. Oh, the ending of the month is too long to wait. Here on owodaily.com, you receive your payments every Friday. Every Friday, you can see here weekly payouts. I think that is encouraging. Okay, all members get paid quickly and generously every Friday. Yeah, every Friday is celebration day at Owo Daily. We ensure all earnings and commissions are promptly processed weekly, giving you the freedom to withdraw or invest in growing your influence. Our transparent payout system means you can count on consistent income flowing into your wallet. Now, what are you waiting for? Seeing all these advantages, it doesn't require you any certificates. It doesn't require you just to become an expert. All you need is a smartphone, which I know you already have, that you are watching this video. That is all you need, and you complete this task. They are very simple tasks, like commenting on social media posts, like liking, like all those simple posts on social media. That is all you do, and you earn like 15 naira, 20 naira, 25 naira, as much as 100 naira and above. And you can do more than 50, more than 100 in a day. There are over 200 jobs available. New jobs comes in every day. You can't run out of job. So what are you waiting for? Join Owo Daily today and experience the satisfaction of regular guaranteed earnings. I will leave the link to this website in the description of this video or in the comment section. Click on the link and register, and when you register, link your bank account. Your bank account that you'll be using to receive your earnings when you reach the withdrawal limit. So every Friday. So click on the link in the comment section and register and start working immediately. No interview. So as you register, you start work immediately. So that's it. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also click on the notification bell, so that the next time I release a useful video like this, you can be notified. Thank you.